respective principal, ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we students of class 5B are talking about Mead and Mephi festival. Mead and Mephi festival is of the ancestors worship which is being celebrated all over Assam on January 31st of every year. The word Mead means offerings, Dam means ancestors and Phi means gods. In essence, the festival is one where offerings are made to the ancestor spirit.
The Ahokeks used to hold prayers on this day in order to honor victory after the war and to obviate any danger from occurring.
Act and a dance on Tai Ahom.
Hero Okhomia, Tohot Jagiborhu, Aji Medam Mephi. Smoron Korisonhok, Puja Patoni. Sukafar Homonbite, Moidamor Pora Ulai Iswami. Kintu Yaki, Kot He Sukafai Gohitoja, He Bora Homor Beti. Hero Okhomia, Tohot Jagiborhu, Medam Mephi Patie Bohinatak. নহলে পুনৰ চেষ্টা কৰিব আমাক একত্ৰিত হওক সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী মিলি হাতত তুলিল হেংদাম ব্যৰ্থ হওক শত্ৰুৰ কাম জীয়াই থাকক অসমীয়াৰ মান পুনৰ গঢ়ি উঠক বৰ অসমৰ ধাম
Dekhor hoke tejere buronji